Oh, I'm so tired. That's car show. Blah, blah, can't talk. But that's car show life for you. Forgot to let my windshield wipers down. So you guys that know what it is, it's that time again. It's the car show time. It's going to Clean Culture in the stadium again this year. Last time I was there, Damon was still here and all that good stuff, but he's not here this time. But I'll be meeting up with Lane and Adam, so should make for a good time. I really liked the show last year when we went, and so I said I was gonna go to this one again because I really like the setup that they had, so it should be fun. But I gotta go pick up Marquise, and then we're gonna shoot up the road to Atlanta, try to have some fun.
Hello?
Hey, I'm outside.
The show is not till tomorrow.
What are you talking about?
Tomorrow.
Hey, let me get that truck.
What?
Let me get that truck. Hey. Rolling out with the Honda boys once again. I feel like I don't belong. So, we finally made it. But the traffic out here is thick, thick, thick. Like I feel sorry for anybody who's got to go to work because we are absolutely blocking the entire road. Like in Fast and Furious. Roads closed, pizza boy. So, I'm letting my homie see the car for the first time. Unfinished, but I guess I'll see what they think about it. Yeah, I need to get some spacers for the rear, like a 10 or 15, something like that. Say I do the bumper and door handles, and that'll be pretty much it. I need some aero for the front, but after that, I'm not doing anything but performing stuff from here on out. I ain't ate today yet, so I'm pretty hungry. You know your boy had to get some tacos. I love tacos. Oh. This man going to work once again for the fire pictures.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Oh my God, that's clean. These lights in here like really do it. find it interesting to see another Pandem build and see what they did with theirs. He's got the little vent things in there, the mesh in the vent. I gotta get that. Some Toyos, which are pretty fat. I like that. This thing is pretty clean overall. Now that I'm seeing the on the car, I actually like it a little bit better than whenever I see it online. It looks pretty good. But yeah, this thing is dope. Oh, it's 2 different colors. Didn't even notice. I don't care what you say about Hondas and Honda builds, you gotta appreciate stuff like this, nigga. This the subframe is powder coated. Like the subframe is cleaner than my whole car. It's ridiculous. Props to this guy. I'm so tired, but you know what time it is. What's your favorite car here?
Oh, here we go.
I like that Z that was up there.
Okay, yeah, that I'm up.
And then that Honda, that coffee color.
Oh yeah.
I like that. Those are my 2 favorite.
2 favorite cars.
Pass. I need to go look out there again.
Okay, pass. What's your 2 favorite cars here?
2 favorite cars?
You pick them in if you want.
Nah, that S2K right there.
I was gonna say the same
I
thing.
love that car. And then Adam's right here, always a favorite. Always a favorite. Big heart.
Yeah.
Big heart.
Oh.
Alright, now go.
Alright, so I've got 1 out of 2 picks, which is that R33.
Good pick.
The rest will come late.
There he is, bridling fast.
He always had that thing on.
Everywhere.
Next one up goes to George of the Ford Mustang 2015.
I tell you. He should have just had them all. Just put them in a bag. Once again.
That's what's up.
What is it? Best fitment? Yep. Told you. This man going out with a bang. That was a long show. So those of you who know or watch my videos are probably aware of this tradition. We always got to do like a little photo, crap, you can't see, a little photo shoot right at the end of every show we go to. So this is the man who's always taking the pictures. I just do a little video stuff here and there, but he pretty much handles all the pictures. We got to do it one last time because this man's leaving the car scene, selling that and getting a Type R, and then no more car shows for him after that. So we got to flex one last time together. Everybody's leaving. These are somebody's daughters. What the is going on? That's why I really hope I have a son. Because if I ever catch my daughter doing this, I'll probably. I have a daughter. Did this turn into a porno shoot? I'll probably send her out on her own. Figure out life for yourself. I can't help you. All right, that was fun, but I think it's really about time for us to get home because I'm so tired. I only slept 4 hours last night, and I'm pooped. So we're gonna head on back home. I think. Well, you'll know in the next clip if I actually went home or not, because we might do something else. I don't know. We'll see.